Hi there. This demonstration is going to show you how to use virtual backgrounds in Zoom. First thing you want to do is open up your Zoom web portal. So I have mine open, and you want to go over to settings on the left, and under the topic of meeting, you want to go to in meeting advanced. Scroll down just a bit and you will see virtual background. You want to make sure this is on. If it's grayed out, it's not on. So if it's grayed out, you want to click to make it blue and turn it on. And I also recommend that you're putting a check mark here, which allows the video use in some of the backgrounds. So that allows you to use the virtual background. So what you're looking at now is your Zoom web portal. There's also a Zoom desktop client and your mobile apps that you can get on your telephone. They're different than your Zoom web portal. Same account, just a different look. So what you want to do is go up to the address bar and type in Zoom desktop client. Then you want to hit Zoom client for meetings and hit download. You want to go ahead and save the file. And you will see the Zoom installer. You want to click on that. Okay, so what you're looking at now is my Zoom desktop client. And one way you can tell is my Zoom web portal is named Always Hope. So you can see up here, those initials are here. So you know that you're on the right page. So one of the things you can do is when you come in here and you go to a new meeting and you start the meeting. Hi there. Go down here to where it says stop video and hit the little up arrow. And you will see where it says choose virtual background. Here's where you can choose your virtual backgrounds. So you have quite a few to choose from. Now, when this comes up, I recommend that you download it. When you download this, you can use the virtual background without having to use the green screen filter. Actually, I recommend you not using the green screen filter after you do the Smart Virtual Background package. So we're going to go ahead and download it. And downloading this helps the picture stay a bit more clear and less jumpy. And I'll show you what I mean. So now here's the picture I'm in. If I move my head around, you can see that it tends to, if I'm too fast, it tends to kind of have a trail. Without this, when you use a green screen, if you wouldn't have downloaded that, you couldn't move your head this fast. It would have a large trail. So I really recommend downloading that package. And then you can go ahead and pick your different backgrounds. Here's my office at work. So, you know, you can go ahead and pick. Here's an example of the videos. The palm tree would be flowing in the back and the waves. So you can do that. The other thing that you have is video filters. And these are more for fun than they would be for business meetings. It's good example of a video filter that we have going on right now. So you can use stuff like that. So that is one way that you can access your virtual backgrounds and your video filters. Now I'm going to go back to the original web portal. So if you're in this web portal and you join a meeting, actually let's host a meeting. So now I'm in the web portal and I have my virtual background up, and you may say, well, now how do I do it, because I'm not in my Zoom desktop client. You go down here to stop video and use the up arrow, and you'll see right here where it says choose virtual background. And then this would be the familiar screen that we just looked at. So those are the two ways that you get into your virtual background. One way is through your web portal, and the other way is through your Zoom desktop client. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and please see me for more videos. Have a good day.